Hello, my name is Muhammad Farhan. Today, we can make something refreshing beverage that is green cooler mojito. So, how to make it? So check this out. Ingredient. First, some kiwi, yeah, and 2 mint leaf, melon syrup, lime soda, and some ice cube. So this is the first step is put some mint leaf, and you can knock and then put the glass. Yeah. So the depth, you can put in the melon syrup to the glass. Okay. So after that, you can put in the ice cube to the glass. So after that, you can put in the lemon soda to the glass in very slowly. It's very slowly. Yeah. And you can put in kiwi to the glass. So this is it. This is the green cooler mojito. It's so very simple.